Good morning, Viva. Great to be here on a Monday morning, and here we are getting our week started. Isn't it great? Our quote of the day: through coaching, people are able to find their own solutions, develop their own skills, and change their own attitudes and behaviors. That's by Jenny Rogers, obviously, probably somebody from England if you look at the last word and how it's spelled. So we hope that we are that for you. We hope we are the coaches and keeping things going for you throughout the week. And so let's get right into what the whole week's worth of adventure will be like. So today's agenda, we'll look at your week very quickly. And you know, this is Monday, right? Yeah, so repeat after me. I can do this, right? Okay, good picture, isn't it? So morning announcements will be after that, and we'll go right into our advisory session today, and then we'll to be dismissed to classes at 9 o'clock. So that is our agenda for today. So let's get right into it. What is the whole week about? Well, it might be too early for an elf, but join the school assembly every day at 8:15. That's what we look for you to do. Attend every scheduled class in small group. We'd like you to keep up with offline assignments. Of course, make up any missed classes or small groups that you might have had. That's your asynchronous work. Certainly join clubs you find interesting. I'll be featuring another club after this one that we've heard about before, but it's coming up again on Wednesday. So we basically want you to have fun learning. Hope you can do that. Why not? So here are the announcements. Well, first of all, we'll have to sign into your advisory session. Morning assembly will take place there. Sorry if I'm flipping there a little bit, but that should take care of itself after a while. And so that will be from Monday morning. So that's today. We will be moving right into our advisory groups from this recording. So just keep going. So our announcements today are the Songwriter and Poetry Club that Miss Vestal's putting together for us, and that is on a Wednesday. So please look at this as an opportunity for you to do some looking at writing and also singing and having fun with music and literature. So her contact is down here at the very bottom of the screen. So make sure that you look that up, and there is a place for you to sign up online right here at the right above her name there. So take a look at that and have some fun. Again, that's what we're here for. All right, so make it a great day. We are Miva, and we are here for you. Hopefully that does it for now. All right, let's have a great one and talk to you soon. Bye bye.